Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Passat R line. I saw this come into our pre-owned inventory, and I knew I had to spotlight it. It's an absolutely beautiful spec, and really there's not much that I would change on this spec. 1.8 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 26,000 miles. I love this gray color too. Nice little R-line kick plate. Automatic windows. Sirius XM radio. I mean, this is a pretty much decently optioned car. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, go for a drive. I'm a big fan of this generation of Passat. Actually, these came out when I was about to get my license. Because I got my license back in 2016? No, 2015. 2015 I got my license. And I definitely was a big fan of these. I liked their looks, liked the design. There really wasn't much I didn't like about these whatsoever. It's super comfortable too. That's the biggest thing with these Passats. They are just cruisers. You could go across the country in one of these and be perfectly happy. You do have manual paddles behind the wheel. Nice Golf R. It's actually what I just stepped out of. This is a non-smoker's car too. I feel like that kind of goes without saying. I said earlier, I never videotape smokers' cars. Brake pedal feel is great, not too sensitive at all. Steering feel is actually really good. Able to move about without too much body roll. Yeah, the 1.8 turbo 4-cylinder is a sweetheart of a motor. Ooh, Cayman. I have no complaints with it. Provides a great amount of torque, great amount of power. Overall, this is a great, I was gonna say little car, but it's a full-size or mid-full-size sedan, but it's an excellent buy for whoever does buy it. Could be one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.